Damn you, Ringo!
Wait, no, what are you doing? Don't stop. Come
I can't
on.
do it, man.
Wait,
I can't do it.
This is what? Can this wait?
I can't.
What
I
is-
can't cross the tracks.
This is literally the worst possible time you could do this.
No, I have
just-
childhood memories that have been repressed, and I can't do it.
It's gonna kill you. This thing is going
I
to
can't-
literally kill
yeah,
you.
No, it's Thomas and friends.
The tank engine.
Yes, and friends.
Did you have to pick now to go crazy? This thing is gonna kill us.
Wrong. The faces on the trains are they're bad, and they are wrong.
All right, well you're on your own. Godspeed.
And do they expect you to get inside of the trains? Ah. Do 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 do. Ah!